What's the best real-life example you've seen of the saying, give the hardest job to the laziest person because they'll find the easiest way to do it? I was a temp. I got hired for the day to print 30 packets with 100 pages each. Why would it take a day? I asked. Our printer doesn't collate the pages, so it will take you the day to sort the pages into the 30 packets, they said. Right. It was a standard office Xerox printer. It took me all of 30 seconds to find and click the collate button, clicked the staple button while at it. All got printed by itself into nice stapled packets, and I got paid to browse the internet for the day. They thought I was a genius for fixing their printer and gave me glowing recommendations to the temp agency that led to more jobs.